Welcome to this video tutorial about the web crawler. Today I will show you how you can add information from your website to your domain knowledge via the web crawler. You can find your web crawler in the left-hand side of the menu under Sources. Within the web crawler, there's 3 different ways to add a URL to your domain knowledge. You can either choose single URL, root domain, or sitemap. We advise you to choose a sitemap as this will give you the most complete list of available URLs on your website. After adding the URL in the search bar, click Fetch Links and the web crawler will fetch all available links from your website. Over here you can see how many links are available. Now you have 2 options. You can either start crawling or you can make some choices per URL. Let's go to our pricing pages. If I tick the boxes in front of the URL, I see the available options per URL. I can either choose to include the link, exclude the link, use the URL, don't use the URL, or delete the URL completely from the list. If I exclude the link, that means that the chatbot cannot read any information on the page, but it is capable of sending the link to that specific web page. If I say don't use the URL, means that the chatbot has all the information available on the website, but it cannot send a direct link to that information. For now, let's go don't use URL. If I turn off the filter, I will see the complete list again. Over here, there are some extra filters available, so you can actually check the choices you made. After you made a decision per URL what you want to do, you can click Start Crawling. You'll now see a progress bar which tells you how far the web crawler is. You do not have to stay on this page and wait until the crawl has been finished. You can keep building your chatbot. Now you know how you can add information from your website to your domain knowledge via the web crawler. You also know how to amend the list and to choose per URL what you want to do with it. Enjoy building your chatbot, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our support team.